Big things are happening here at Pushys. Over the past few weeks, we've been setting up our new warehouse, so I'm excited to show you around. Down in the warehouse, we've increased our floor space by over 4 times, which means we're now stocking a wider range of products all in one central location. We've optimized workflow and expanded our team, meaning your orders are processed in record time. During this transitional period, you may have noticed some disruptions, but rest assured, we're back to operating with greater efficiency than ever before. Should you have any questions regarding your order or concerning any of the 50,000 products we now stock, be sure to reach out to our friendly customer service team via phone, email, or live chat 7 days a week. We're continuing to grow, and we're using this new base of operations to ensure we're bringing you the best products at the lowest prices in the shortest time. So for all your riding, camping, and running needs, head to pushys.com.au.